Pulse Innovations welcomes you to this demonstration of the GeyserGuard Enterprise Insurance Dashboard, a revolutionary platform that's transforming how insurance companies manage geyser-related claims and achieve an unprecedented return on investment. Before we begin, if you haven't watched our introduction video yet, please pause this video now and watch that one first. This is critical. The introduction explains the problem we're solving, the technology behind GeyserGuard, and why this matters strategically to your business. Without that context, what you're about to see won't have the impact it deserves. Assuming you've seen the introduction, you now understand that GeyserGuard can realistically reduce geyser-related claims by up to 85% through early detection, alerts, warnings, and preventive maintenance. So the question becomes, how does it actually work? That's what this demonstration is all about. Over the next 10 minutes, I'm going to walk you through the actual dashboard software, the interface your team will use daily to monitor geysers, manage alerts, process claims, and prove ROI. We'll start with a brief look at the physical hardware, the IoT device that makes this possible. Then we'll dive into the heart of the system, the real-time alerts and warnings that enable GeyserGuard to prevent claims before they happen. And finally, we'll explore the analytics, reporting, and ROI calculator that prove the value month after month. Let's begin with the hardware.
On the left is the actual GeyserGuard installed on a geyser. On the right, our demonstration unit simulating a node degradation. This unit connects to the internet and sends its raw data to our proprietary software, which supplies our server with the valuable data to drive the dashboard. We supply power to the unit at this point and electronically simulate the loss of a node life using this control. This unit can also be connected directly to a geyser at this port. Regular email messages inform both the user and the insurer that all is okay. Let's now describe the dashboard and the information it provides the insurer. Scrolling down, we see a graph of the last 7 days and a list of active units with their alerts and status. The dashboard just refreshed automatically. Clicking the Warnings button brings up a graph showing the deterioration of the node leading to the warning. We close that and click the Satisfactory Situation button, which elegantly displays the graph. We close that graph and scroll back to the top. We go to the listening software, click on the Start Listening button, which tells the system to start listening for data from the units. As soon as the software has logged onto the internet, the raw data starts streaming in, which is then read by the dashboard in real time. We have 2 units installed. One is satisfactory, the other is in the warning stage, and 0 units in critical condition. This panel shows messages as they're received. As we simulate the loss of a node life, we watch the satisfactory and warning panels. Emails and SMS messages are regularly sent, assuring both the insurer and the homeowner that the geyser is in satisfactory condition. Notice now that the satisfactory block has dropped to 0 and the warning block has increased to 2. Immediately, the system sends an email and an SMS to both the insurer and the homeowner, informing them of the anode's status. We continue to simulate the reduction of the anode's life, as seen in the raw data. Observing these blocks, we see the warnings have dropped to 1, and the critical block now indicates 1 unit is in critical condition. An email and an SMS is immediately sent, just as before. Scrolling down again, we click the critical button, and the graph of the data unfolds.
Over the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how our comprehensive dashboard delivers measurable claims reduction, real-time analytics, and complete portfolio visibility. The system uses secure authentication with role-based access control, so different team members see exactly what they need, from executives viewing high-level ROI to claims assessors managing daily operations. And here we are, the main dashboard interface. Notice immediately how clean and professional this is. Everything is organized into 12 comprehensive modules, each designed to give insurance companies complete control over their GeyserGuard portfolio. Let me give you a quick orientation. Across the top, you have 12 main modules. Dashboard for real-time overview. Insurers to manage insurance company relationships. Customers and their contact information. Policies for lifecycle management. Claims processing and tracking. User management with role-based access. Analytics for business intelligence. Operations for team performance. Financial management. This is where the magic happens. GeyserGuard for device monitoring, audit trails for compliance, and admin for system configuration. But before we dive deep, let me show you what matters most to every insurance executive. Here's where GeyserGuard proves its value in real dollars and cents. The ROI calculator. ROI isn't theoretical, it's mathematical, and our ROI calculator shows you exactly what GeyserGuard means for your bottom line. The default view is the subscription model, which is similar to the way vehicle tracking is structured, where the customer pays to have the device insured, and you, as the insurer, pay the very affordable amount of 50 Rand per month subscription for our software. Look at these default results, immediately visible at the top. Combined annual savings of over 12 million Rand. Annual subscription costs of 5.4 million Rand, a 5-year net present value of nearly 13 million Rand. A payback period of just 6 months, and a 15 percentage point improvement in loss ratio. Now these aren't just random numbers, they are acquired from nationwide averages and can be tailored to your insurance company's actual numbers. Watch what happens when I customize this for your portfolio. Let's say you insure 15,000 households instead of 10,000. I simply change this number here, and watch, the calculator updates instantly. Your annual savings just jumped to over 18 million Rand. This is real-time financial modeling. Every parameter here is customizable. Claim rates are based on your historical data. Actual geyser and water damage costs from your experience. Your specific device, installation, and operational costs. Custom adoption rates for year-by-year rollout. The system takes all these inputs and calculates a complete 5-year financial projection with year-by-year breakdown. Look at this. Year 1. Initial investment with early returns. Year 2. Approaching break-even. Year 3, 4, 5. Pure profit and claims reduction. Now, as detailed in the introduction, some companies may choose to offset the capital expenditure of paying for the installations themselves against the savings that GeyserGuard can provide. To model this scenario, click the Insurance Pays Model button. The calculator will show you the CapEx requirement, revised payback period, and 5-year NPV for the self-funded approach. And here's the best part. You can export all of this to Microsoft Excel for your board presentations, CFO reviews, or actuarial analysis. One click, and you have a professional financial model to share with stakeholders. Now let me show you the analytics that help you track and prove that ROI. The Analytics dashboard gives you 5 comprehensive views. Let me show you the overview first. At a glance, you can see total policies, 3,247 active. Total premium revenue, 245 million Rand. Claims paid, 8.2 million Rand. And most importantly, loss ratio at just 33.6%. Now watch these interactive charts. This trend line shows revenue versus claims over time. See how revenue is growing while claims stay controlled? That's GeyserGuard at work. And here's the loss ratio trend, steadily decreasing as more units come online. You can drill into policies by type. See claims broken down by type. Notice geyser bursts and water damage are the largest categories. These are exactly what GeyserGuard prevents. The analytics are comprehensive, but what I really want to show you is how this translates to day-to-day operations. The operations dashboard gives your team real-time visibility into daily activities. You can see 23 claims currently in the processing queue. Average processing time of just 4.2 days. 88.6% approval rate. Customer satisfaction at 4.6 out of 5. But here's where it gets really powerful. Priority alerts notify your team immediately about critical issues. Red alerts for high-value claims needing approval. Yellow warnings for upcoming renewals. Blue info notifications for new applications. Everything is color-coded and prioritized, so your team knows exactly where to focus. You can even track individual team performance. Who's processing the most claims? Who has the best approval rates? Who's delivering the best customer service? This level of operational visibility helps you optimize your entire claims operation. Beyond the ROI calculator, the financial module includes 4 comprehensive report types: monthly revenue reports showing premium income, investment income, with comparison to previous periods; claims analysis, with detailed breakdown by type and financial impact; expense tracking against budget with variance analysis; and complete profit and loss statements. And here's the best part. You can export all of this to Microsoft Excel for your board presentations, CFO reviews, or actuarial analysis. One click, and you have a professional financial model to share with stakeholders. GeyserGuard even has this dashboard available on a mobile application. If you'd like to see a personalized ROI calculation for your portfolio or schedule a live demo with your team, contact PowerPulse Innovations today. Email admin@powerpulseinnovations.co.za or visit our website powerpulseinnovations.co.za. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to showing you how GeyserGuard can transform your geyser claims management. Have a great day.